Billy Jack once again on location, this time in front of the Honolulu Art Museum. So you can take a look. This building has been resurfaced. See how deep it goes down there? Let's take a look, shall we? I've often wondered what the siding was. Was it covering up a bluestone building? Is it covering up a red brick building? A red brick building, remember that. I believe this siding was put on not only to reinforce the pre-existing surface underneath there, it covered something. It doesn't appear to be in rows, number one. Number two, it doesn't appear to be hand-hewn coral rock, which I originally thought it was. There's several buildings with this surface around here. Follow me on this one. I believe this is the surface. Instead of residing the bottom of the building when they pull back the dirt, they put this on it. This is another one of the ways they hide these buildings. It's a big tree right here. Very interesting the way they covered this surface. There's two more buildings I'm aware of that are historic that have this surface on it. We'll take a look at those. It just seems so short here in the front, doesn't it? Especially right here on this corner, the roof going down that far. Yeah, definitely much so.